Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, I've officially blown the account after being up almost 1,000 or more. I think I've officially blown the account this week. As you know, guys, I told you guys I was increasing my lot size because my rebill date is either Sunday or Monday, so I either wanted to blow the account so I can get my free reset or pass the account by then. But now thinking about it, I should have just taken my regular trades, and then if I didn't blow my account, I would be closer to my profit target instead of increasing my lot size and over trading and blowing my account to get a new account to start over to make the $3,000 profit. So guys, I'm going to be breaking down the trades that I took from Wednesday. I think I broke down Monday's trade and Tuesday's trade. I'm going to break down Wednesday's trade, Thursday's trade. By Thursday, the account was already blown. Friday's trade would have been a win, but the account was already blown. But the setup was there with the God did model. So guys, I'm going to break down today Wednesday's trade. Wednesday was the Wednesday was the ninth. Wednesday was the ninth. So this is the ninth of October trade breakdown. I took free trade, and this free trade, I think one break even and two losses, or two break even and one loss. Either way, I had a losing day on Wednesday. So as you know, guys, you come into the chat at 7 o'clock, looking for relative equal highs and lows created after 7 o'clock. So when I came into this chat, I saw these relative equal lows. But these lows was created before 7 o'clock, and then these relative equal highs. This high was made together with this high after 7 o'clock, but this would still not count for the God did model. Then we have this relative equal lows created after 7 o'clock. So this was my journey on price. So guys, after this was created, I saw this fair value gap up here. So I saw that price traded into this fair value gap. I took 16 contracts short, targeting this 15-minute fair value gap below here. Took the trade. Price, I was in profit. Price pushed down, I was in profit to about a 1 to 1.27 in profit. And then price reversed. I think I trailed my stop, and price took me out for a break even, or I think for a small loss. But either way, if I have kept my stops above here, I would have gotten my 1 to 2. As you can see, I would have gotten my 1 to 2. And this is one thing I'm going to try. I said it last week, but I'm going to try to do it again this week to keep my stop and either take a full profit, or 1 to 2 take partials at 1 to 2, or get a full stop. Sometimes the full stop, when I move my stops, it helps me. Sometimes it doesn't. But I think that it it doesn't help me more when I move my stops. So guys, so as here I got taken out at break even, so that price reverse pushed up here. I think that was yes, yes, I had a market structure shift right here. Displacement above here, I thought that price was going to go up to take this relative equal highs. So I utilized this fair value gap, took 10 contracts. When price reached in this area, it reversed on me. My stops was below this candle here, it took me out, and then displaced down. So this fair value gap after price displaced down with this market structure shift. So that price was going to continue down. Took 10 contracts here again. Price just continue pushing up, took me out. So free trades, I think one break even and two losses on Wednesday. On Thursday, The account was blown on Thursday. Came into the chat on Thursday. As you know, come into the chat 7 o'clock, looking for relative equal highs, relative equal lows. These were the relative equal lows created. This was a drawn on price. It's either price. It's either I look for price to displace through it and continue down, or take out the lows or highs and give me a reversal. On Thursday, it gave me a reversal. So these relative equal high lows, price traded below here. I didn't take shots because when price traded below here, I saw no continuation. As price traded below here, it gave me a bullish candle right after this bearish candle. So my thought was price was not looking to go down. So then after it took out these lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle after price started displacing up. We had this inverted fair value gap here. I was looking for price to close above this inverted fair value gap and trade back down target and continue going up. It didn't give me that entry. It didn't come back to this inverted fair value gap. Then after we had this breaker here, price displacing above, closing above these highs. I was looking for price to come back into this fair value gap here. Price did not, so I didn't get an entry for this trade. If I've gotten an entry, as you guys see, that trade price traded up beautifully, but it just didn't give me an entry. There was an entry here when price came down, took these lows and displaced up, leaving this fair value gap, having a market structure shift above these highs. I would have taken this trade, but I was fearful that price would have came back here into this fair value gap to continue higher. So I did not take this, and if I taken this trade, as you guys can see, the 1 to 2 would have hit, but I did not take this trade. So let's go to where the account got blown by the series of trade and over trading. So guys, after the news on Thursday, yesterday, so that price came down, take out these lows and started pushing up close above this fair value gap, came down, took these lows and displaced up, leaving fair value gap, took 5 contracts here, stopped below here, price reversed, took me out. Then I saw again price came down, took these lows, displaced up, breaker here with this low, high, lower low, closed above, breaker, took 5 contract again, price reversed, took me out again, price was just not ready to go up. Then after market open about 9:49, price came down, took out all these lows and was now ready to start displacing up or to go up to the buy side liquidity. So guys, when I saw that price pushed up above these highs, came down back into this first fair value gap after 9:30, I took a 5 contract here. As price started dipping lower, I took a next 5 contract here, I think. Yeah, yes, I took a next 5 contract and was looking because I saw that price cleared this, and then we have this breaker here. I knew that price was ready to go up this time, but price was so choppy that it came back down on this candle, and then there wasn't enough money in the account to upset close me out and close up my trade, and that is where my account was blown, because my stop would have been below these highs, below this low here. And as you can see, if there was just enough money in the account, price would have run up to this buy side liquidity, giving me at least a 1 to 2.77 RR. So that's the trade for Thursday. For Friday, which is today, the 11th, this would have been a winning trade also, but the account was already blown, so I just paper trade it. As you can see, these lows was created before 7, so this lows wouldn't have been in play. But then price traded down. We had these relative equal highs created here. Price traded away from it, and then price made this relative equal highs here. We had this fair value gap here. Price utilized it to take out these lows. Then we had a push up. I was looking for a price to give me a fair value gap, pushing up above this high, but it didn't. As it traded above this high, it did close above this high. Price reversed and came back down with this candle. So I wasn't willing. I wouldn't have taken this trade here. So then price again moved sideways a bit, then pushed up again. This time giving me the fair value gap that I was looking for. I would have taken my normal 10 contracts here, stops below here. I would have taken a little more because the stops would have only been 9 points. So I normally risk $250 for $500 make minimum. So 1 to 2. So would have when price came into this fair value gap, I would have taken my 10 contracts. But as you can see, there was news at 8:30. Price played the wrong, came down close to my stop, did not take out the stops, and then displaced to my drawn or my target here, and I would have bagged my $500 profit today. But the account did not have any money for trading today. So guys, I'm going to show you the account at this moment. So guys, this is the account. As you know that we had a break even week last week. Monday started out well, 530 profit. Tuesday at minus 800. That's the day I started increasing my lot size. Wednesday minus 424. Thursday account was blown with a minus $748 with a total of minus $148.34 for the week. So guys, I will be purchasing a new account. Monday is a bank holiday, so trading will start back on Tuesday. Trading will start back on Tuesday on my quest to passing my first prop firm challenge and hopefully getting a payout. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.